as a tournament host, what would you say it's that like the 2 or 3 challenges that you faced in hosting such numbers of people?
The first thing omele uyazi, every organize ama-tournament angakadinga ama-resource. So mostly uba ne-issue ke when you need to find sponsors, ikakhulukazi thina siyi-political organization. Maybe for laba abanye abama-non-profit organization and NGOs, maybe for them it's easier, but for thina ke sourcing out ama-resource ukuze host into ezifana nalezi, it can be quite challenging. But however, we do appreciate the support esitholayo from local business people, also nama-partners esinokusebenzisana nawo. But i-challenge kakhulu ile yokuhlanganisa ama-resource, because you firstly must organize the transport, ama-players ku-venue, you must organize food, you must organize all sorts of things to host a tournament of this magnitude. It's not easy, but we do pull through because siyayithanda lento esiyenzayo. Yes.
So when and as the let me not say when, Nina as a whole, as ANC Youth League, what would you say impacts positively when it comes to other sports? Of course, like a lot of people focus on football. So like, what is it that one thing or like a few things that we would do to shift that thing? You could say football is the only important sport, but like eyes on other sports.
I think in my view, the first thing is that asibeni nama facility malokishini that also supports other sporting codes. If you can move around here, it's very difficult to tola ama facilities that support ama sporting codes. You will not find a cricket ground like lokishini. You will not find a tennis ground. It's very difficult. You will not find a basketball ground like lokishini. You take ama ground webhola and sometimes the netball. Those are the two, but the major obviously sport is lokishini. So firstly, ayiqale futhi kakhulukazi ngoba you look at abantu aba involved in sports, it's mainly youth. Ayiqale ekolweni. Ikolo azibe nama facilities that support abantwana to have different interests in terms of ama sporting codes. It can't be that every school moya kuso the only ground ozolithola elebhola. Yes. So ayiqale ekolweni because that's where the passion starts. That's where people find no, I mean I actually don't like soccer, I like also other sporting codes. So ama facilities as we must push that ekolweni ezisemalokishini akube another environment that supports abantwana to have different interests in terms of ama sporting codes, so that izokwazi ukumove ke izemalokishini asihlala khona bazokwazi ukuba nama teams and all of that, sibona ama challenges abakhona in terms of ama contestation nama tournament to support also other talents in sporting codes. So issue esinayo kakhulukazi ile yama facilities that supports different kind of sporting sporting codes.